What's going on? What's going on? I want to let y'all know about this app. I call it FunX. It could be called FunX. I don't know, but I call it FunX. But you would know what it is. You see this little frog with the coin out. You know what I'm saying? Little money, gold. What I like about it is when you make that play, meaning like right now, you hear that little casino sound. Got that casino sound to me. So I look at this as like one of those like casino / scratch off lottery all in one, but special because this one pay a little bit different than most of them. Most of the apps like this don't really pay at all. So every time I come in, I scratch off. You get about 10 to scratch off, and I do that every day. So you see it say hourly scratchers 5, then 10, 5/10. So I got 6 left. Now I got 7 left. Well, I don't mean 7 left. I got 4 left. Now after this, I got 3 left. And then after this 8, I got 2 left. You know what I meant, guys. So don't be below the comments saying this man tripping and tweaking. And after this one, I got 1 more. And the points go up, as you can see. I'm gonna show y'all the redeem points, how much you need to redeem. Let me see if I can turn my bright on. See if it's gonna make it, a little bit better. Make it a little bit better. Helps a little bit, just a little bit, not too much. But one thing I say is the best thing I like on here to me would be the slot. But let's go to the daily. Go to the daily, pick game, lottery pick. So I ain't gonna do quick pick. So as you can see, that's my drawing for right now. Come back, once that 33 minutes or some seconds is done. It won't let me leave. Let me see. To leave, guys, I don't know what's going on. Alright, so I don't know if y'all like that music, but hey, I guess I mess with it. One thing I say is they got, let me get that out of there. They got the roulette table. You can see it real good. They got football where you can bet on games and stuff. I know you can see it real good. You know what I'm saying? But hold on, I'm gonna go ahead and do something else, guys. But go ahead and shine that light on it. See if I can get something. Okay, here we go. I got a little something. So you can go ahead and you know what I'm saying, use this to go ahead and bet if you want to bet on the game. But what I do, I go to the slots. I ain't gonna play it right now, cause I like to focus when I use the slot. I play this like a real game. They got tournaments. You know how to play blackjack. I don't know if you can see that real good. Let me go ahead and shine it on there. Blackjack. So as you can see, they got a referral program. Say invite one friend and get 28 or $2.08. Just showing you what you can get. Let's see if I can take it off and show it better. So it's looking a little bit better. I have all that below the description, guys. But let's go to the rewards. So what you'll need to redeem out of here, you'll need like I want to say, so that what I have now, so that 155,000 points, what you see right there, that's equivalent to that. So I probably need like 3 mil to get to that 3. You feel me? And that's cool. And then they got the redeems for this too. As you can see, you can pull out. That's 5. And then that's sold out. But that's cool. They might have some more. Let me go ahead and turn this music down. Actually, turn it off. Turn it off to where you don't hear. But you know what I'm saying. You got this 15 right here, and then you got other little rewards. But they'll have it, guys. Don't even worry about that. But I'm just showing y'all the main thing I do when I come in. I've just been in this program, you know what I'm saying, like a few days. But you know what I do. So that's the check-in. I got my check-in, my daily check-in. So you know what I'm saying. I don't know if you can see it real good. But you can play roulette. As it's tweaking again, you can't really see the light. I have another video showing it, guys, but I want y'all to go on here and mess with me, guys, on this. So as you can see it now. You got roulette. Just showing y'all what the main stuff. Let me. So as you can see, these are the games they have. You got the scratch offs. You got the lotto. You got the slot. You got roulette. You got the football, which is soccer. You know what I'm saying? Not American football. You got a game called Spider. Never heard of it. And you got a couple more games. Blackjack. Most of these games I don't know how to play. That's just me. I don't really get into the gambling. If I do gamble, I'm going to go, to the slots in real life, for sure. And scratch offs to the store. Other than that, I ain't really, big on it. But I had to let y'all know, guys, what's going on, because this app is so low key. I found it from somebody else, and I said, let me go on here and talk about it. You know what I'm saying? You have the referral code right there. Got everything you want to know. Definitely, if you really want to know, you know what I'm saying, come join. Have the link below the description. But yeah, man, I like this app so far. You know what I'm saying? Got the free PayPal cash on there, so we can get that, free PayPal cash. It say travels up to time. I said travel. Time of arrive up to 7 business days to get the $3 or more, and then you can, get money other way, as far as redeeming PayPal through the redeem gifts instead of getting it the regular way through your balance. That 3 will come from here, and then I guess this will come from the gift, and this over here will come from the 3 right here. I don't know if you can see the money bag symbol right there, but you definitely can see it once you join. Click the link below the description. It's your boy. Let's get it. Mr. MMO, Mr. MC. Let's go.